Yes, now you can see it is pumping water. After some time it has to be off, and then to repeat the loop and print again and pump again the water. Okay. Yes, I have ESP32 microcontroller mounted on ESP32 expansion board. Yes, now you can see I have the relay of 4 channel. On this side we obtain the input, so here is where we put the positive for the relay, powering the relay, and the ground for relay. So here when we sign the input from the microcontroller, that will get the output from the microcontroller, and here will be the input to the relay. On this side is where we get the output. So you can see we have NO and NC. NO stand for normally closed, NO stand for normally open, and NC stand for normally closed, and the COM stand for common. So now you can see the relay. Next, this is a brushless DC pump which uses 12V DC and 4.8 watts. Can pump water at a height of 300 centimeter, and the rate of pumping is to 40 liter per hour. And you can see this is an input, this is output. So water inlet get in here inside the pump and get pumped it through this outlet. Yes, I have the adapter which give out 12V DC and a current of 2 amps. So now you can see all components I will use now present here. I will use the relay and microcontroller which is ESP32, the DC pump of 12V, and the adapter of 12V. Keep in touch. Yes, now you can see how the connection is made. This is a white one is connected to the VCC, and the ground direct. So the white one is connected to the positive of the relay, and the green one, which is connected on the ground, is connected on ground of the relay. So this is like an input. To complete the input, you have to send the signal, which is like a data. This yellow one is sending the data. It's connected on pin number 4, GPO number 4, and here on the relay, you can see here on the relay it is connected on in 1. So here we have 4 channels, so you have 4 input options. So here we'll use the single input, which is input 1. On the other side, to have a clear observation, so you can see this connection. You can see this wire is connected direct to the positive of the source, which is VCC positive, which will give us 12V, and the other end is from, I don't know if you can see cleared. Yes, you can see this wire is connected on normally open. Normally open, it means all the time the pump will be open until when the signal will close the circuit. The signal from the microcontroller will be sent to the relay, so relay will complete the circuit. But if you connect it to the normally closed, all of the time the pump will be working, will be pumping until when the signal from the microcontroller will tell the relay to cut off the connection. So you can get the difference. So the other end here, this is known as common. Don't know if you can get it. So this will be common one, and normally open one is this is normally closed one. So this is complete of channel 1. If you use input here, the other end, you use in 1, so you have to use the output of channel 1. If you use the input of channel 2, you have to use the channel 2 outputs. The same to the 3, the same to the 4. Okay, now I'm okay, you know the connection. Baud rate, which is this number, and then I defined the pin 4 will be the output. You can see the pin 4 will be the output. That is the setup. So from here to here is the setup. When you are down, you have a loop. Yeah, you can see on this code we start by making the pump I. So initially the pump will be I. After the code is executed, immediate after entering the loop, the pump will be on, and then on serial monitor will print the pump is on. Then after will drain, will be on for this microseconds, milliseconds. Then after the pump will go off. Will go off and will print pump is off, and will dry for these milliseconds. So maybe using Arduino ESP32. Then we have to select the COM port where the microcontroller is connected. It's connected on COM6, port 6 of my computer. So I'll go on and verify the codes. After compiling, I'll have to upload the codes. I'll go on and upload the codes. Yes, now it is okay. Let's go on and open the serial monitor. Yes, now we can see I've already uploaded the codes, and I want to pass through the connect the pump, because the pump now is not powered on. So I have to plug the DC source. Now let me hold this very carefully. Yes, now you can see it's pumping water. After some time it has to be off, and then to repeat the loop and print again and pump again the water. Yes. So now you can adjust the program according to your need, and to pump the water after any other condition. If you add the other sensors, so you can have a proper system. Yes.